Uy, nung dumaan ako sa Shangri-La, nakita ko training in progress na ang Longhorn. That means malapit-lapit na itong mag-open dito sa Philippines. Sobrang hilig ng daddy ko sa steak and ito daw yung favorite niya na steakhouse sa US. And when we visited our relatives sa Florida, trinit nila kami. Thank you, titos and tita. Super memorable yung first visit namin sa Longhorn. Longhorn Steakhouse is a popular casual steakhouse chain. Yung branch na napuntahan namin sa Florida, very warm and rustic yung interiors. Old ranch yung vibe niya. May complimentary bread and butter din sila. Sana dito rin. Our kids super love Longhorn crunchy chicken tenders with honey mustard sauce. Ooh, look at that. Can't wait to try this again soon. Crunchy, juicy, and tender. Almost all of the kids we know in the US love chicken tenders. Of course, salad para healthy, Caesar salad, and ranch salad. All of us, including my titos and titas, ordered the Outlaw Ribeye Steak. Iba-iba lang kami ng piniling side dishes. Sabi sa menu, not trying this would be a crime. After trying it, it is really delicious. Kaya pala kami trinid nila tito and tita here nung tinanong nila yung son ko, what food do you want to taste in the US? Ang sagot ba naman niya, steak? Nakakahiya. But this was really a memory that we cherish so much. It's bone-in, well-marbled, fire-grilled, juicy, and delicious. Can't wait to try Longhorn in the Philippines. I'm sure it would be amazing. Under din siya ng Bistro Group. Ano yung favorite niyong steakhouse dito sa Philippines?